Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning to simplify algebraic expressions by multiplying algebraic terms. I have algebraic terms here 3 times 2b. In order to multiply these algebraic terms, I will just multiply three first numbers. 3 times 2 is 6, b as it is. I don't have any other variable, so I will just write 6b. This is my answer. 5 times a. This a is having coefficient 1, invisible 1. So I will just multiply 5 times 1 is 5. A as it is, as I don't have any other alphabet or variable. So I will just write 5a. This is my answer. Next I have 2x times 3xy. I will multiply the numbers first. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x. When multiplying the same variable, we will add their power. So x is having power 1, invisible 1 here. So it would be x squared. Y as it is. I don't have any other y. So I will just write y. 6x squared y. This is my answer. Next I have 3ad times 5ad. So 3 times 5 is 15. A times a is a squared. D times d is d squared. We will add the power of the variables. We have invisible 1 here. So this is my answer. Next I have 10g times 5h. I will multiply the numbers first. 50. G and H, they are different. So I'll just write like this. It's not in order is not important, but it's better if we write this in alphabetical order. So this is my answer. 5ab times 2ab times 3ab. I will just multiply the numbers first. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. A power 1. So A times A times A is A cube. B times B times B is B cube. Because B is having power 1, we will add the power of the same variable. B 1 plus 1 plus 1 is cube. So this is answer. Next we have 8ab times 2b. I will multiply the numbers first. 8 times 2 is 16. A would be as it is and b times b would be b squared. So this is answer. Next I have 4b times b. This b is having invisible 1 here. So 4 times 1 is 4. B times b is b squared. We will add the power of the variable. So this is my answer. Next I have 2ab times 10b. So 2 times 10 is 20. A as it is. I don't have any other a, so I will write as it is. B times b is b squared. So this is my answer. Next I have 7abc times 3b. So 7 times 3 is 21. A as it is. B times b is b squared. C as it is. So this is my answer. Next I have 3ab times 3. So I will multiply the numbers. 3 times 3 is 9. A and b as it is. I don't have any other alphabet or variable, so I will write AB. So 9AB is my answer. Next I have 3A times 3A. So 3 times 3 is 9. A times A is A squared. So this is my answer. Next I have 2AB times A. This A is having invisible 1 here. So 2 times 1 is 2. a times a square, we will add their powers of the same variable, b as it is. I don't have any other b, so this is my answer. Next, 3x squared y times 4xy squared. So we will multiply the numbers first. 4 times 3 is 12. X squared times x. So this is 1 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Y times y squared. This is invisible 1 here. So we will add the powers. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 12x cubed y cubed. This is answer. Now I have negative 3x times negative 2xy times negative 2xy squared. Remember, when multiplying terms involving negative signs, negative times negative is positive, negative times positive is negative, positive times negative is negative, and positive times positive is positive. So here I will multiply the signs first. Negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative. So then I will multiply the numbers. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. After that I will multiply the variables. X times x times x is x cubed. Y times y squared is y cubed. So this is answer. Next I have 5h times negative 3j times negative k. Multiplying the signs. Negative times negative is positive. Usually we don't write positive, so it's fine. 5 times 3 is 15. K is having coefficient negative is 1. So 5 times 3 is 15. H, J and K. I will just write like that. So this is answer. Next I have 11a times negative 2b. I will multiply the signs first. So we have negative here. 11 is positive, invisible positive. So negative times positive is negative. Then I will multiply the numbers. 11 times 2 is 22. A and B, they are different. So I'm going to write as it is. So negative 22AB is answer. Now I have 2QR squared times 5QR. So I will multiply 5 times 2 is 10. Q times Q is Q squared. R squared times R is R cubed. So this is answer. Next I have 2ABC times 4A squared BC squared. So multiply the numbers first. 4 times 2 is 8. A times A squared is A cubed. B times B is B squared. C times C squared is C cubed. So this is answer. Next I have 6A cubed whole square. So I can write 6A cubed times 6A cubed. Square means I'm just going to write everything inside the bracket twice and I will multiply it. So 6 times 6 is 36. A to the power 3 times A to the power 3 is A6. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is answer. Next I have 2A squared whole square. I'm going to write 2A square times 2A square. So I'm going to write everything in the bracket twice. And next I have 3A cube whole cube. So I'm going to write everything inside the bracket 3 times. Now I will multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 times 3 is 108. So a squared, a cube, a cube, a cube. All variables are same. I'm going to add the powers. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 12. So a to the power 12. This is answer. Next I have negative 10 times 2xyz times 2x squared yz. So I will multiply the signs first. Negative, invisible positive here. So negative times positive is always negative. And negative times positive is negative. I will write negative here. Then I will multiply the numbers. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. After that I will multiply the variables. X times x squared is x cubed. Y times y is y squared. Z times z is z squared. So this is our answer. Next I have 2mn times negative 3n times 0. I will multiply 2 times negative 3 would be negative 6. Negative 6 times 0 is 0. So this is my answer. I don't write n squared. I don't write because this is 0. So this is my answer. I hope you like this video. Till my next video. Bye bye.